In this video, I will show you how you can make a kid's coloring book on Canva for free. Now first go to canva.com. Once you're in here, you can type for this drawing book cover animals or whatever you want the book to be about. I just chose animals because it's the easiest. Press enter. Now there should come a lot of ones that you can choose from. I'm just gonna choose Arctic animals. Customize this template. Now you have the cover right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on add page, and from here you can go to elements, and on elements you can search for what you want to add to the page. I'm gonna search for polar bear. See all. I'm gonna select the one that looks cartoonish. Put it right here. Select the size. Put it right in the middle. Double click on it, or you can click on it and edit photo. Find filters. See all. Go down to mono and press classic. There we go. Add page. This time let's do a seal. I'm gonna put this in here. Looks cartoonish. Make it bigger. Fit right in the middle. Go. Click on it. Edit photo. See all. Mono classic. There we go. Then you can add another page and you can add more animals, and at the end you will have many pages with many animals that the kids can color on. From then you're gonna click on share. You can download, then press more. From in here you're gonna download it right there as a PDF standard. Press download, wait for it to be done. Now you should have it right here. So if you open it, you will see it has the cover, it has the pages, and that's basically how you do it, guys. It's really simple. Thank you guys for watching this video.